It was a sunny morning and Binoy whistled to himself as he cycled to school. Binoy looked for a bird in the trees. Just for a moment, he forgot to watch the road. What a sweet song! Where are you, little friend? The urgent blare of a horn brought Binoy back to reality, but too late. The motorcycle swung across the road and went into the ditch. I had moved too far into the road. He swerved to avoid me and lost control. Binoy went on pedaling automatically and neared the spot where the motorbike had fallen. Fear stopped his breath, but Binoy gathered the courage to look. A young man lay across the ditch, his right leg bent, blood on his right side. Is he alive? Is he in pain? Binoy trembled all over. He couldn't think, couldn't move. He had caused an accident. What will Ma and Pa think? What will the police say? Before he knew it, Binoy had got onto his bicycle and was on his way. He must have been going too fast. That's why he couldn't control his bike. Anyway, what could I have done? I'm too young to help. Somebody else will come along in a minute. Somebody else will help that man. What is the question before Binoy? Binoy tried to act normal at school, but felt strange. Is that man still lying there? Is he in terrible pain and all alone? What if he tries to get up and a car knocks him down? What if the man dies because I didn't help him? Don't make excuses for not doing your homework. Fear is no excuse for not helping the man. Please, oh please, I want to be good. I want to do what is right. If only I could turn the clock back, I would help that man. The old grandfather clock was actually a time machine. The time master operating the clock took pity on Binoy and sent him back to the morning of the same day. Binoy stood at the spot of the accident again. I have a second chance. I must help this man. There was a grocer's shop nearby. I can call the police and the ambulance from the shop. Binoy raced to the shop. Accident! There is an injured man there. Hello, police? There's been an accident near the market choke. The biker was conscious and remembered the accident. I lost control because I was going too fast. Anyway, it was destiny. No matter what I did, if the accident was fated to happen, it had to happen. What does fate have to do with riding a bike too fast? And isn't it important to be careful when cycling and keep to the side of the road? What does that have to do with fate? What did Binoy learn? When the police came, Binoy told them how the accident happened. It was not easy, but he did it. The bike was going fast and I must have moved into the road. I had looked away just for a second. I'm very sorry. Alright, don't worry. You can go to school now. When he heard the word school, Binoy was startled. I only imagined running away. Actually, I was frozen stiff for some seconds, but then went and got help. Binoy had done the right thing by helping the man. Everything we do has an effect, and we have to choose to do the right thing. Better get it right the first time, pal. There's no time machine to give you a second chance. What did Binoy do?